Alright guys, the day is, well, not the day, tomorrow is the day. It's finally arrived. I'm doing the rig rundown. It's not a rig rundown, it's a modified shoot with Ronny Dahl. So just getting the car ready today, got it all cleaned up, good to go. So what I'm gonna do guys is pretty much set it up the way I would if I'm going on a trip, and that trip could necessarily mean sort of a longer touring trip as well as just a short weekender. So I'm going to show you guys where I put all my camera gear, what touring gear I keep with me. Spare parts are all going to be on there. Got to be Max Tracks bits and pieces. So I'm pretty much set it up how I'm going to set it up when I take it away places. So if you guys want to watch that modified, it's going to be way more detailed, way more depth than what I sort of went into with my rig rundown. I know Ronny puts a lot of effort into making sure he gets all the small details. Just packing up ready. We're leaving first thing in the morning, 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get my boy Josh to hold the camera. This video is pretty much just a bit of a vlog behind the scenes of modified shoot with Ronny Dahl. Let's get into it. Yeah, long time coming, this one. Hey, what's going on, dude? What's going on, mate? Do you want a chip there? Something to eat? Oh yeah, I'll have one. Bit of Macca's for the morning. Yeah, that's it. I came over here and it was like just perfect, eh? You know, just over the back there. Yeah, I know. Yeah, pretty intense.
Not quite how I have it.
Just want to say, bigger isn't always better. Look at that. Very cute. Oh, we're finally here. I just realised I pulled the camera out before and I didn't turn the mic on for Josh. Damn it. But we're here. Finally, it's happening now.
Should we do voiceover for what we did before?
We should do that. Yeah, let's do that. We'll try it again. Flashback to Jace Andrews. Oh my god. Yeah, well, the missus has rolled a couple of times while driving. Actually, that first time we were at the beach. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, it's on! Alright, sweet.
Finally got it right.
So we're here, and it's pretty cold, and I want to wear my shirt, so when you watch the episode, I'll be in a t-shirt and shorts, but I'll be freezing. What are those? But it's gonna be alright. What is it? Beauty is pain?
Something like that.
It's a tripod off. You are my tripod, you're worth the most.
There is literally more money here in tripods than anything. It's ridiculous.
Oh my god! It's probably more money in camera gear than cars, eh?
Oh yeah.
Especially my car. I'm not gonna wear trackies on the video.
Oh, why not?
I don't care.
It's your look.
Don't look at me, look at him having a beer at 9 in the morning.
Breakfast of champions.
Here's the funny thing, right? I rely more on this than these than my FS5. Yeah. That's not mine over there. There's about 30 grand's worth on either side of well,
look at him, yeah.
Oh, so Sam, this is about 1,000 worth, the whole setup, and this is
more valuable to you. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's quick, so
it gets the shot so you can't underneath the car and stuff. So.
Yeah. So if a kangaroo or Sam pops out from the tree, boing.
They're over there doing their thing. Check these rigs out. Oh, that's fresh. Do you know what's going on?
I think so. Still setting up. Not even mic'd up yet. That's what it's come to. Me licking my wheels, get them clean.
Someone's got to do it.
Well, the drive in here made it dirty, so look. That's what you got to do. That's the plan. It's the glamorous bits of TV right here. Gaffer taping. Oh, you're going to the shirt.
Inside, yeah.
I was going to gaff on your nipple and get me hairs.
Yeah, straight on the shirt, that's a good idea.
Now we can't see that we're wearing mics and it looks super pro, eh? We're all about being professional here.
Your face.
We then proceeded to teach each other our intros.
Like a step back.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
Whoa! Laugh when I do that.
By this time the sun had moved and well, we had to move the car because of the shadows and the sun and the light and the... yeah, anyway. You know what I mean? So we just moved the whole shebang because...
Look at it, all over there now.
Yeah. It's frustrating because it's a white car and you got shadows and then full sun. It was like too much contrast, so... Moved the whole gear over to the side now. The whole shebang, we're in the shade. Got something to show Ronny. I did a surprise for him. I don't know if you'll like it because not even I liked it. Because you know the intro, actually, no, this is a behind the scenes for my channel. But if you watch the modified, if it's got a different intro song, it could be because of me. I recorded a different version. Because you know the same yeah, so I thought I'd add a bit of extra flavour to the intro of this modified. Being a musician, thought, why not? Let's spice it up a bit. something to show you. You can say you hate it, but I'm thinking, because you know I'm a musician, right?
Yeah. You're thinking of doing a piece on that?
Yeah, I changed it a bit up.
Yeah, why not? I like it.
Yeah. Sweet! Little once off for mine.
Did you make that up?
Yeah.
You know,
I recorded it.
You know, I'm just using that piece because I'm stuck with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm like. It's time to change it up,
Yeah.
and then we could just cut to some more aggressive driving or something.
Because if I change that piece for modified, like overall, man, it would be worth me getting up in the morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's still got the same intro, and then I just cut into my bit. And it goes on a bit, and there's a little solo on there, but you can pick stuff out of it or whatever. Like,
yeah,
so,
cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa! Ronny Dahl from Four Wheeling Australia. How you going? We are here with another episode of Modified. We just need the owner of this rig to come out.
Hey! Sam here. Built Not Bought.
How you going, mate?
Good dude, what's up?
You nailed that one?
Yeah, yeah, exchange intro.
So as you've probably seen on all of Ronnie's other modified videos, we covered all the different areas of the vehicle, bull bar, lights, engine bay, interior and all of that.
So, yeah,
We're halfway through, engine bay time, and then we've got lifting tyres. What have we done? We've done lights, done body, done the tray, we've done the rooftop. So we've just got to do canopy, internal, suspension and engine bay.
That's good actually. Yeah? Yeah, and you guys will be.
Snap brake. Bit of technical difficulty, his microphone's fallen off his shirt. Not mine, because it's some quality merch, righty.
Sounds alright.
That.
Hanging in there good.
That's good. Oh.
Yeah, no, yours is on.
Yeah, nah, yeah. What?
Nothing.
You just come to me?
Yeah, pretty much.
So we've done one side of the canopy, we're going to do the other side now. Then suspension, but good day. I'm not too cold.
There it is.
Yeah, pretty much just an upgrade to make it feel more luxurious.
Yeah.
Something I prepared earlier.
We are at Q&A time. Stop clapping.
Alright, that's it guys. We've just wrapped up the Q&A section at the end. And well, there's a modified shoot. You've experienced it. So I think towards the end he actually asked some questions on Instagram. So if you were one of those guys, thanks for your questions. And yeah, hopefully you can jump over to his channel and check out that modified. I'll probably be dropping this behind the scenes at the same time that goes live, so it makes sense. And yeah, I don't know if this is the end of the video right now. You want to say anything?
Boah.
Boah! We swapped intros. I don't know if I showed that, but he was like, "Boah, good guys, it's Ronny," and I was like, "What was it? Hey?" Or "Hey, hey, Sam here."
Something I'm stuck with.
Yeah. So
it's something I'm stuck with. Actually, you stopped doing it for a while, and then I had a few people get a bit upset.
Yeah.
And then I had a few other people telling me, "Well, it's your thing," so it's like I'm stuck with it.
That's it.
There you go.
That's what they know you for. All right, guys, subscribe to the channel. Hit up Ronnie's as well. Check out that modified. I'll see you in the next episode. Take it easy. Peace. I've just spent 3 months doing engine upgrades on my motor here, and I've been told I'm not allowed to turn the key until you press subscribe. Please press subscribe.